Do you think you can get a CAT course for around 10,000 rupees? Like the full course with end-to-end personalized mentorship? Yes, you have heard it right. I'm sure as an aspirant, you feel that price is one big factor to decide a good coaching institute, right? There are some coaching institutes who charge you as FTS 30, 40, 50,000. Now, in the last 30 days, we, the entire PrepZone team, we were a team of 14 core PrepZone members. We did a thorough survey. We have spoken to more than 100 students, and what we have figured is they are lacking two things. First is they have joined some coaching institute in the past, but they were not able to give results because first, they did not have personalized attention. They kept on picking the mentors, but because mentors were busy teaching 100 plus students, they didn't never get a response back, right? So that's one. They are really looking for some place where they have a good connect with the mentor. They text the mentor and they expect a reply within next 10-15 minutes, right? That's one. Second is because of this macroeconomic situation that is happening across the world, right? A lot of people have been laid off. People are not working. They did not get a job. They're still dependent on their family. Family's financial condition is not good. So price has become one important factor because they are looking for cost effective programs, and while looking out for cheaper programs like 5-10K, they end up making bad choices. They end up taking the institute which is not that good. So essentially this video is about how do you make a balance between the cost and a good one-on-one mentorship program that gives you everything that you need, because opportunity cost is way too high, right? Just for the sake of price, if you take a coaching institute which is not worth enough, your entire year goes for a toss, right? So hence we are here, Team PrepZone. We have worked a lot in the last 30 days, and I'm really happy and I'm so thankful to the entire PrepZone core team members because they've spoken to so many people. And the final insights, basis the final insight, the team has even agreed to contribute and provide financial aid to all the CAT aspirant Janta. Yes, we have a CAT 2023 mega sale going on where you have flat discount from 50% to 70% on any PrepZone CAT course. So our PrepZone CAT course is a four-step process where you get everything live in the form of Google Meet videos. Sessions happen in the night hours. You attend everything. Then you get the material. You get personalized mentorship. I would be personally mentoring you as a part of this batch. So yes, I am an alum of IIM Calcutta. If you don't know me, so you will be in direct touch with me, and we will have everything: live session, then remedial session, then advanced workshop, then booster batch, assignments, mock test, analysis, and then finally one-on-one sessions every week, right? So all of that is covered. The course ka fees is flat 50%. I'll tell you what you need to do to avail this whopping discount. This is only available for the first 100 students. We have already received around 53, 54 entries. We have started floating the discount coupon codes as well. Yes. And why are we doing it? Because I think it's been 5 years that we are into this entire business of, like, helping CAT students. And at this moment, we just wanted to help because of these macroeconomic situations. So hence the team is taking a cut. It's not that cost is very cost of the course is very low, but we are taking that hit. We'll be giving extra 25, extra 50% of the fees from our own pockets so that the course ka price remains the same. Now, what do you need to do? This is very important. Also, do share it across with as many friends as you can. I want every single needy student who is not able to join an institute because of financial issues to fill this particular form and get help in whatever format. The courses start from as cheap as 2-3,000 till 10, 12, 15,000 as well, right? So I'll just share a form that you need to fill. Okay, fair. So you also, in this video ka description, I will attach this particular Google form. Go to this form link, right? It will ask for your name, phone number. Give me a phone number which is WhatsApp, where WhatsApp is working, so that you can directly reach out to me. You can apply which course are you looking out for, because we have only limited seats against various courses, right? So just look at which course do you want. Do you need a full course? Do you need a sectional course? Do you need advanced workshops, only mentorship, self-learning videos? You can choose more than one as well, right? And submit. Also, as soon as you submit, this is my personal number. You please ping me that, sir, I filled the form. If I am eligible for this particular discount code, kindly share the coupon code. I will check personally. If we could accommodate you, we'll give you a flat 50 to 70% course, no questions asked. Okay, so I will share that particular coupon code with you. You use that coupon code on the PrepZone website, which is this, right? So this is our website, myprepzone.com. Under courses, you can see all of these courses. So remedial course ka price, this is the MRP, the price is 10,000, but for next 1 week from 9th to 15th of April, we have this mega sale going on. So this course will be available at flat 50% off, 5K. The full course with mentorship, advanced workshops, remedial, revision, CAT, OMED, ZET, everything end to end is available, is priced at 25,000, but will be available at 12.5K only till 15th of April. Okay. GDPI, any which ways is done. We are not taking any more enrollments in GDPI. This is OMAT. That again is not required. This is individual sections. If you're looking for individual section, like I only need help with quant or LRDI or verbal, this is only mentorship where we don't give you the content, but I will be personally mentoring you, hand-holding you on what your preparation should be, on how should you work, what should be your daily schedule, timetable, daily targets, mocks, analysis. You will be in constant touch with me, right? And this is the advanced workshops where essentially you would learn how to solve questions within 1.5 minutes. All of these sessions are taken by me. You will get access to the sessions directly. Right. So that's it. It is as simple as this. You just have to go to the form, fill the form, and then maybe comment done on the video and reach out to me on my WhatsApp, and do share this video, guys. This is the first time I'm doing, and thankfully the entire team has agreed to take that hit on themselves and help as many students as possible.